G'day, it's Adam Franklin here at the ANZAC Square Memorial in Brisbane. And in today's video, look, what I want to do is actually talk you through how I keep track of all my tasks and prioritize them using a tool called Trello. Now, chances are you've probably heard of Trello. It's a free tool, and what it does is kind of acts like how you might have a corkboard with post-it notes or what have you. You can move the tasks around on tiles, and what I find it does is it allows me to prioritize certain tasks. Now, I like to have a pretty simple model. It's based on Agile methodology, but I have a column called a backlog. So that's where I keep all of my different ideas, tasks, things that I think of at 3 o'clock in the morning, or I've listened to a podcast on a run. I've got this idea, I write it in my backlog. At the start of each week, I'll actually go through and think about what tasks are the most important and the highest priority, and from there I'll work out which I'm going to put into my to-do list for that coming week. So then I don't need to think about what I do at the start of the week. I can just pick the top tile and perform that task. Once I actually start the task, I drag that tile across into a new column called In Progress. So it means I've started it but not finished it. Once I actually finish that task, as in it's shipped, it's done, it's published, what I do is I put it in the Done column, which means at the end of each week I can see what I've done. I can also see what I haven't completed, and it gives me a chance to reassess my next week's priorities. All right, so very simple. It's based on the Agile methodology. I do have a version of it. It's a Trello board that I've tailored. I've made it as a free template. If you want it, just type Trello in the comments and I'll shoot it off to you. So if you want to make it yourself, by all means, starts with a backlog, then a to-do column for the next 7 days, then an in progress column, and then a done column. So hope that works for you. I found it works really well for me and my private coaching clients. If you're interested in finding out more about doing private coaching with me, just hit me up in the comments or a private message. Look forward to chatting with you soon. See you, folks.